Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video we'll show you what to do if you keep getting errors while trying to delete a file or folder on your Windows computer. So to fix this, first right click on the start icon. Now select terminal admin from the list. In the terminal admin window, you simply need to enter a command to delete the file and folder that you are having problems with. So for example, I'm having problems deleting this file. I'll simply right click on it and select this copy as path option. Now in the command prompt window, all you have to do is type in del/f space and paste the file path and then hit enter. As you can see, the file is deleted. Now if you are having problems with a folder as well, this will work. However, if you keep getting the error, you can right click on the folder path and select copy as path. Now try this command rmdir space /q/s. Now space and paste the file path and hit enter. This will also delete the folder. However, if this does not work, you can also try using a zip tool to delete the undeletable file or folder. Simply right click on the folder. Now select your zip tool from the list of options and click on add to archive. Here you will need to select this delete files after compression option. So I'll select that and I'll click on OK. So this will create a zip file but delete the original folder. You can then delete the zip file easily. If you have any questions about this, feel free to ask them in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe.